Let's make supper fried rice together while I share a story from one of my followers here on TikTok. And this is her true life experience. I am in love with my best friend's boyfriend. I have been friends with my best friends for 6 years. We met in school and we are practically sisters right now. We have both dated different people and we were both friends with each other's boyfriends. Currently, I just went through a very tough breakup and she has been there for me. I started noticing these feelings when I became the third wheel in my friend's relationship. My best friend loves me so much, so she was so free, allowing me to hang out with both her and her boyfriend. I go out with them on dates, shopping, and everything. And even when we go shopping, her boyfriend lets me buy anything I want. We all go to the beach together, movies, and everything. I can say everything has helped me to move on from my heartbreak. All the fun I had with my best friend and her man was of pure intentions. I had no evil intentions in mind. I just don't know why the devil put these feelings in me just to ruin my life. I have caught myself countless of times just staring lustfully at my friend's boyfriend. He can be having a conversation with both me and my best friend, and I just get lost staring at him. He's just so beautiful. He is very well spoken and he has money, but not too much. Sometimes he calls to check up on me and his voice is just so soothing. I even had a very naughty dream about him recently that has made me very uncomfortable. I had to just start avoiding my friends. I stopped going to see her. She just keeps complaining that I'm avoiding her, but I don't just know what to say. At the time I avoided her for a whole week, so I don't get to see her or her man. But I swear, this girl came to my house and dragged me out. Sometimes I just blame her for letting me get so close to her relationship. But then again, I can't blame her because she had an open mind and was just trying to help me get through my breakup. I really hate myself for this and I just wish I could tell her why I've been avoiding her. But I don't want her to hate me. She might not understand. It's not my fault and I don't want to lose her as a friend because of this. Sometimes when she comes to complain to me about her relationship problems with him, I try to ginger her to break up with him. Not because I want him or I want to take over him. It's just because I don't just want him to be around anymore. I just want him out of our life, so it just be the both of us. I even get jealous when I just see them together, just being so happy. I just get jealous. It's not my fault. I just want all of this to go away. I want these feelings to leave me. So guys, please tell me, what should I do? Should I tell her about it? Will she hate me? I just don't know what to think right now. Please, I'll be waiting for your comments.